Okay, so here we are again. I'm now fixing the other lock. The problem with this one is that I had my hex key and I'm in here and whoa, the bolt is stripped. Oh no. What are we going to do? So I don't like throwing chairs out. So to get that out, you have to drill it out with a drill. And I wish I knew what size drill bit this was. It is about this size. I've used a lot of different sizes and it always seems to work. But I think this is probably about 1/4 inch. In any case, we already drilled one out and it's in pieces over there. And we're going to do the other one. And so what you want to do is, come on, work with me here, baby. There we go. So, there we go, bubby. So we go right into where this is. Boom. We're going to drill it right into it. And we should probably have safety goggles and all that stuff. Keep in mind this is going to make a kind of a mess because there's going to be sort of little metal shards everywhere, and so not really ideal. Find a nice chairs on the side, ready for surgery. And get in there. It takes about, if you have a good drill bit, it only takes about a minute. The drill bits wear down every time you do this, so once you find a good one, it's good to take it to the hardware store and get more just like it. I think you get the idea. You can fast forward through this part. Whoa! Woohoo! You can see that the actual bolt is right there. Just went boop, drilled the whole puppy out. So this is why we always save the bolts when we cannibalize chairs, because sometimes you have to drill them out. And when you're taking this off your drill bit, be careful because there's all of these crazy shards all over here. And this is usually really, really hot from the friction. So I don't need that for a second. I'm just going to let that cool down. And then once those are drilled out, the back end falls out. I'm going to pick that up somewhere when we clean up. And then basically everything else is the same. So these guys come out. This guy slides back. Come on. There we go. Slides right out. And then we got a fresh one. And so this is good that we brought both a left and a right one. And again, I had these are the old bolts that go with this one. So this is from the other chair that got cannibalized. This guy slides right in. Hello, hello. Welcome to your new home, Mr. Lock and Mechanism. Come on. Come on. Just line it just right. We'll try to do this one first. Oh, that's looking good. Put that one in. Put this one on here. Bit, see what I'm doing more here. So you can see, now this is the back end. So we're slipping these guys into these holes. That one got in, and then we got this one. Goes in like that. But we got to get the holes lined up right. So let's see what I'm doing there. earthquake just happened there. Here we go. Okay. Line that hole up. Looks good. There we go. All right. Now we're cooking with Crisco. Zoom. Put the threading in there. And tighten it up, but not too tight. Zoom around. Gotta love a nice hex key. It's nice to have the right equipment. This actually didn't, this came with like some random IKEA-like thing. And I just kept it. It fits these perfectly. A little tighter there. There we go. So these guys are old, and I haven't figured out a way to save these for anything. So these are unfortunately going to get tossed, but better tossing just this than the whole chair. All right, there you go, party people.